Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto cookie dough. We are making keto edible cookie dough. It's so easy. It's the perfect late night treat whenever you're wanting something sweet on the keto diet. So I always get people like, doesn't taste like cookie dough. It's got flavors of cookie dough. What makes cookie dough give it such a, like the taste that we're so used to is actually flour. When it's going to have, if you want the actual cookie dough taste, you're going to have to add a little bit of like white flour, or, it has white flour. That's kind of like that unmistakable cookie dough flavor that we're looking for. Almond flour is not going to give you that taste. So we're going to use cream cheese. We've got 6 ounces of softened cream cheese. And I think some people lately have been using whipped cottage cheese. You could try that instead of the cream cheese for this recipe. We've got 5 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 tablespoons of a granulated keto-friendly sweetener, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first we're going to mix all of this together with an electric mixer. So that's nice and pliable. That's why you really want your cream cheese and your butter to be nice and soft. And now we're going to fold in a half a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. Any brand. I know there's multiple brands out there now. This is Lily's. That's just what I always get. But there's Bake Believe, Chalk Zero, just whichever one is your favorite. And look at how amazing this looks. You are just going to want to eat it by the spoonful. For a quarter of a cup of this, it's 220 calories and 3 total carbs. You've got to try it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.